Okay, I'm in the city, in buildings over here by Park Avenue. Yeah, this is the same way I had to walk to go to Apple Store. See the building? We're now on Madison. I think the next block, I don't think I walked this way though. I think it was the other way. I think Broadway is the other way. This is where I was working at. When I used to work in the city, I used to work at such and such, 51st Street. That's the street I'm walking on now. So I was such and such, let's say 450 East 51st Street. And I was between Lexington and whatever that next, I guess, is Madison. Lexington is the street I got off of. Got off the train in. So I'm walking to 5th Ave. So this should be 5th. So I gotta turn away a little bit. It should tell me when to turn. Yeah, 5th Ave. So Apple, I think, is on Broadway. Because I take the 50, I get off at 51st Street. See the building? I don't know what this is. It's probably a church. I wonder if it's a church that people was coming by. All right. I'll be right back. Let me find the building.